This is Smoking Galaxy so far YouTube channel. This is like my 50th, 100th, millionth, billionth time I've done this, so please help me. Anyways.
No! She was attacking Ellie! Well, she needs to get out here because I'm not going to have a dog attacking Ellie.
If you hear them arguing, that's how it is. Yeah. Anyways, so.
You know what?
Guys, I had to pause because of, well, just because.
Because dog biting baby's not good.
Yeah, what he said. Anyways, the person that won the last giveaway is Coca, and I forgot the rest of her username. Anyways, the new giveaway is the hidden Juno statue. I have 2 of them, so, I mean, it's a win-win.
I will not have a dog bite my granddaughter. And I don't care what anybody says about it, I will stand by it 100%. Okay. I just had to get that out there.
Anyways, let's get back to the main topic.
Okay.
I have an idea. So, the idea is I'm going to actually decorate my den. Anyways, I had 2 ice caves, one's right there, and I'm going to put my extra Juno statue right in front of it. I don't know why, I just like it like that. And then we're going to put the online safety flag right up top. I think that looks good. You think that looks good? If you do, comment about that. Anyways, and then I'm going to put my little penguin lamp about right in the middle. And then my favorite, probably the favorite windows that I have is this one. I'm going to put it right there. And let's move over here. Okay. I'm going to put my den portal right here. I'm just going to put it to, I guess, later on this video, I am going to do like something different. Or I'll make a different video. I don't know. Right now, I'm just like, let's do it. I'm just bored. Let's do it. I don't care. Sorry, I'm coughing and it's definitely got. Anyways, let's get to what I am trying to do.
Oh, come on. Really?
I guess someone over there is getting back.
Wow.
DJ Tiger.
I can't get no.
DJ not on this? Did he have buddy?
Satisfaction.
I'm just going to do it too. I don't know actually. Let's say him. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm not going to have it on because it's like too much to decide. Let's put that right there. I like the stepping stones, honestly. They are a good item to me. Let's put a pillow right here for the bed item.
Oh my.
Right here.
I don't have a lot of granddaughters.
Couch right there. There.
Mainly sons here.
And the holly rug. I like the holly rug. It looks cute, honestly. Right there.
I got nothing against teaching my granddaughter how to be a tomboy.
Anyways. If you're hearing someone talk, that's my
grandpa.
Yes. But I call it Paw.
But it's still grandpa.
Still. I'm just saying. Shout outing to the fans over there. I can't put my there.
You are so internet in law. It's like, she's like,
internet's mine.
She's like, can I stick this further in my brain and make me interlock so well to where I was like,
Okay, I think they get it.
yeah, they get it all right.
You know, if my aunt watches this.
Your aunt is probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking.
I don't know. You never know. I mean, you never know. By the way, I'm going to lock my
Your
den.
sister's about to attack your internet.
My internet.
Yeah. And she's happy to join the expedition.
Okay. Ow, get off me. Ow, I'm going to pause real quick, guys.
Yeah, sister.
Okay. I'm back. She was getting on my back. I do not like that. Anyways, let's put the welcome sign. You know, we want all jammers
She's
to feel
going
welcome.
about how you don't like you on her back while she's doing her internet.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness! Look at Ellie. She's like, well, I can figure that one out. She's doing her homework right now.
Do you see what I have to go through?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Attack sister.
Don't attack sister. Sister playing her animal jam.
Sister attack sister.
Sister attack sister. What?
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just
Wait
kidding.
a minute. I don't need that lamp. I already got this lamp.
No, I wasn't. She thinks it's funny.
But I don't.
Yeah. Hey, grab her keyboard real quick.
Don't
Shuffle
grab
it
it.
around.
Don't grab sister's keyboard. Guys, I think he's messing with me.
You did, buddy. Yeah, she likes that.
But I don't. Well, we understand. What? Guys, if you keep probably the only thing I will be talking about is sister and want to do this. Any of the ways? Yes, indeed, my friend. Anyways, let's get back to Animal Jam. Okay. So let's make this like nice as it can get. I love this flower. Honestly, this is my best flower. I can't get it. Okay. Stop! Don't touch sister's keyboard. Don't. Guys, I'm getting attacked. Help. What'd I do? You said just deal with it. That's a good idea. Thank you. Just kidding. I'm talking to myself right now, technically. Well, technically I'm talking to all viewers, but at the same time, it's only me. No, yeah. But I guess I'll have to live with it. Which is sad. And there he is. Please tell me. Good thing it's not tickling me. I thought he was about to tickle me out when I heard that. Anyways, okay guys, I am finally done. I forget it. This video has already gone long enough. Anyways. So, here we got like a little plant stuff. Then we get to the stepping stones. You know, it's still a bit snowy outside, you know. And then we go in, and then boom, it's like a crowded something. Anyways, I hope you like this like little dead decoration. And the giveaway. And hearing my grandpa talk to me, I guess.
Oh, you guess?
Yes, I guess.
You know what? I'm the best thing ever had.
Okay.
Don't even go there.
Anyways, bye guys and galaxies. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and comment down. Peace. Say bye. Don't be rude. Say bye. You're not gonna say bye? You know what? Forget it. Bye.